Hey folks, how are you doing today? I'm super excited today to share another session of CNC Live. So, enjoy the session and hopefully you'll be learning something new today. So, let's roll that intro and let's get started. So, these are my tools that I'll be using today. This is Mono Zero Eraser. This is a cotton swab. This is my white magical pencil. This is mechanical pencil. And this is my charcoal soft pencil. And this is cotton. So let's get started. Now I'm drawing a straight line. Now let's divide this straight line from the middle portion. Mark 2 points on the straight line. It should be at equal distance from the middle line. These will be the starting point of lips. Now I'm drawing a watermelon kind of shape. This construction line will act as a boundary or guiding line for my upper teeth. Now below this, I'm drawing the shape for my lips. That shape will be tapered from the sides and it will follow the same fashion as it was followed by the upper watermelon shape. From the upper line, now I am making a line that is tipped at the middle line. This will act as the boundary line for my upper lip. Now for the upper lip, I'm creating a shallow line from the middle and then I'll converge these lines to the starting points. This will be slightly tapered at the end. So now with the help of these boundaries, I have drawn the basic shape of my lip. Now for teeth, let's make a Y. This is the gum. Now I'm dividing the right hand side into 5 portions. As I make my way to the sides, my tooth size will be narrower. So my front tooth will be the widest. Now I'm measuring the first tooth, the frontal tooth, and I'm replicating same measurement to my left hand side. Now I'm defining each and every tooth with my mechanical pencil. So the shape, size, height of each and every individual tooth can be different. You guys can experiment with this. I'll leave this up to you. Now I have to define shape of the gum. So I have to draw these lines on each and every tooth. It will be Y-shaped lines. Because our upper lip reside on top of our gums, so we have to draw this shadow of our upper lip on top of our gums. This area represent the back of your mouth, so this will be the darkest because of the fact that light doesn't reach there properly. So is anyone in the comment section there who can tell me why I'm using cotton bud for smudging? I could have used my fingertips. So why I'm not using my fingers to smudge? Let me know. And who can tell me which grip I'm using for this kind of shading? It's not a normal grip. It is not a writing grip. So which one it is? And if you don't know the answer, then it's alright. You don't have to worry about it. you just may want to check our other videos where we have already explored these kind of techniques. Now using my cotton bud to give a smooth texture on top of my lower lip, and same technique I'll use on upper lip so that it can look less grainy. Since light is falling from front top, so your upper teeth may create some shadows. So I'm covering that shadow with my soft charcoal pencil. So corner of the lips will always be dark because light doesn't reach till corner properly. So we'll give that sense of depth. So whatever we have done on the right side, I'm replicating same thing on left hand side. So I'm defining teeth with soft charcoal pencil, and then I'll use my cotton bud. Adding shine to lip, lower lip here, and on upper lip. Now adding tonal best with my white pencil. This is white charcoal. Adding light with white charcoal pencil. This will be the highlights. Adding highlights to upper lip. So there you have it, folks. Let me know whether it looked alright to you folks or not. So let us know how was this video in comment section. We will wait for you till next CNC live section. Thanks a lot. Craft and Canvas loves you. Keep visiting and supporting our YouTube channel. Bye bye.